Welcome to week 4 of Social Work 335 Social Welfare Organizations. In this workshop, we are going to look at issues of crime and addiction and how it impacts the welfare system. In addition to going through your scholarly resources, you'll also be doing a new Praying in Color about developing a good support network, which is so important. You'll have a discussion about chiming in on your thoughts and beliefs about a relevant new case study in welfare. You'll be writing another case note. This time it'll be on Case Management Video 4. And you will continue working with the National Child Traumatic Stress Network, taking an interactive presentation on visitation. After you do that you take part of that training, you watch that presentation, you'll take an assessment, and then you will get a certificate of completion, which you will submit to the 4.5 Dropbox, and that will complete your week. I hope you find it challenging and rewarding.